Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, we are going to show you how to create a colorful weekly lesson planner in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Weekly Lesson Planner. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel currently has one result for Weekly Lesson Planner. Let's click on it. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this weekly lesson planner, and what it is best used for. Next, click on Create. Excel will load your weekly lesson planner, ready for you to use. Cell A1 tells you that this ready-to-print colorful weekly planner template is designed to help plan a week of lessons for teachers. To get started, you will add Monday's date in cell C5, and add your class times in cells D4 through H4. Excel gives you 2 additional weekly lesson planners, each with a different color layout that you can choose from. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.